Did you know solicitors need to be careful about how they speak because they aren't allowed to be too friendly when they appear in the New South Wales local courts? So I have decided to come to Dunedoo local court to do this part on speaking. It's pronounced Dunedoo, not Junedoo. By the way, Dunedoo is about 90 k's northeast of Dubbo. It's part of the Lithgow-Mudgee court circuit, which includes Goulburn, Mudgee, Ralston and of course Lithgow. The court actually sits here in Dunedoo one day, 3 times a year. No, this section isn't about word pronunciation. Rather, it's about the informal manner in which a solicitor appears while in court. Of course, solicitors must follow the solicitor rules or they run the risk of being struck off. A solicitor must not, in the presence of any of the parties or solicitors, deal with a court in terms of informal personal familiarity, which may reasonably give the appearance that the solicitor has special favour with the court. It's section 18 of the solicitor's rules. So a solicitor won't call the magistrate by their first name or ask how their weekend was. This means a solicitor cannot give the appearance that they are on personal terms with the magistrate. The reality is the world of the local court in New South Wales is small. Most solicitors know each other, and the magistrates usually worked as a solicitor or a barrister in the New South Wales courts before being appointed. So of course there's the usual good mornings. There might be some smiling. Giggling is okay if the fire alarm accidentally goes off, but there's a distance between the magistrate and the solicitors. When sitting in the gallery, you might hear the magistrate being addressed as Your Honour, and usually solicitors will say, if it pleases the court. It can sometimes sound weird, like they're referring to the court as some sort of third person. But that's how the solicitors are keeping it more formal. They're keeping the informals to a minimum. I notice the magistrate keeps a distance and doesn't show preference to one solicitor or another. However, annoy them with some inappropriate conduct and you'll get their attention. Fun fact, it's 20 years this year since Your Honour became the formal address for a magistrate in the New South Wales local court. Prior to 2004, magistrates were addressed as Your Worship. That's all from Dunedoo local court. All the years I worked out here, I never noticed the local court. Probably because we spent too much time either at the bakery or the milk bar when we were in town.